Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Open Logic Pro X and choose a new Live Loops project to begin. Set tempo to 120 BPM and set the time signature to 4:4. Choose a grid size, for example a 4x4 or an 8x8 grid for session structure. Set each cell length to 2 bars or 8 bars to match song sections. Create tracks and assign a software instrument or audio input to each cell. Arm inputs for recording and confirm monitoring levels before you perform. Select a cell and press the record button to record looped material into that cell. Record clip lengths of 2 bars or 8 bars to fit your arrangement and tempo. Use the Capture Last Take feature to recover performances after you play them back without explicit recording. Trigger cells live using a MIDI controller, the mouse, or the touch bar for immediate arrangement control. Hold multiple cells to create scenes and use follow actions to automate clip transitions during playback. Open a clip and edit MIDI or audio in the Clip Edit view to refine performance timing. Quantize MIDI to 1/16 or 1/8 to tighten groove while preserving human feel. Apply clip gain, fades, and transient slicing for audio clips using built-in tools. Use follow actions and scene launches to build automated arrangements and transitions across the grid. When finished, bounce individual stems or the full mix at 24-bit and 44.1 kHz for reliable mastering files.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.